Hello everyone, welcome to AGTechTube. Today I am going to show you a quick guide about hiding files or folders in Windows 7, 10 or 11, it doesn't matter. So if you want to hide a folder, you need to press right click of mouse, go to properties and check this hidden mark and then press apply. Okay. As you can see, the folder cannot be seen at the moment. So if you want to view this hidden file folder, you need to go to View tab and then check Hidden Items, and you will see the hidden folder here. So for hiding it again, uncheck this box. Okay, here you go. So this is a pretty simple process. I hope this will be helpful for you. I'm looking forward to catch you in the next videos.